All right, just through the net. On top of this chum, we're using this Purina fish food chum.
Oh God, viral.
Throwing them in the water, and Reese says he just caught him. He's pulling it out. Oh man, he smoked them. Check out all those greenbacks. Look at them all. All from on top of Skyway Bridge. Check out all those baits. Hopefully we're gonna catch some snook with those later. Oh. We throw pancakes even from the pier. It's kind of difficult because you gotta let it sink under the bridge a little bit. And since we're going mobile today, this is the kind of bucket we're using with a battery, keeping these baits alive. Oh, he's pulling it up. He smoked them.